Part 3 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Today I will deliver the lecture on the kinds of spectrum which is selected from BSc Part 3, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 3rd, titled the Spectroscopy. Dear students of BSc Part 3, may I have your attention please? First of all, I discuss about our previous lecture on spectroscopy. Mentioned on the blackboard here, the branch of the spectroscopy which is mainly concerned the intensity, colors, wave number, structures of the molecules. Dear students, in our previous lecture regarding to the spectrum, we have also defined in the classroom when sunlight or white light is allowed to pass, is allowed to incident upon that is of prism or diffraction grating, then transmitted light is now allowed on photographic plate. The Vibgyor, different types of the dispersion of the lights of the various colors of Vibgyor are produced on the photographic plate. Such phenomena, such types of the Vibgyor bands produced on photographic plate are known as spectrum in individual and separated form of the color. Since the plural, when various spectrums are produced on photographic plate in the form of different form Vibgyor, the combined, the plural form of spectrum are known as that is of spectra. Today I will deliver the kinds of spectrum I have mentioned on the blackboard here. In our previous lecture, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our previous lecture, in which whole spectrum is that is of now divided, is classified into further that is of two types, emission spectrum and that is of absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum is the spectrum which is produced when extra light or heat is given to such substance having already excess energy. The excess energy is now allowed to pass into that is of radiator, further that is of photographic plate. The spectrum is produced known as that is of emission spectrum. The just reversible reciprocal case of absorption spectrum we have discussed, we have derived, we have defined in the classroom. Absorption spectra is the spectra which is in which the substance possesses the low energy when is provided extra energy or heat. A few parts of the radiation is now allowed to radiator and further to allowed to pass an incident upon a photographic plate. Such spectrum is known as that is of absorption spectrum. Dear students, further emission spectrum and absorption spectrums further now divided into further that is of continuous and discontinuous spectrum. Continuous and that is of discontinuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum further is divided on the behalf of intensity, wave number, and on the behalf of the nature of electromagnetic wave and radiation. On the behalf of their various kinds of intensity, linear or that is of molecular, I mean to say molecular, that is of band spectra. First one I am writing here on the blackboard here, linear spectrum. Linear spectrum is, it is evident, clear from the title, linear spectrum is produced by that is of atomic spectra or by that is of atomic species. In such atomic species must be present into the form of that is of either of that is of vapor or that is of gaseous form. In the case of emission, on blackish surface, glow or shining lines are observed. In the case of absorption spectra, in the case of linear, for that is of absorption, just reverse on glow surface, you know here that is of blackish lines are observed here. In order to define that is of a band or molecular spectrum, dear student, it is evident clear from the title, band spectrums are produced by molecular species. Molecular species must be present here in the form of liquid and that is of solution here. Next one, that is of topic, very special, amazing topic of spectroscopy. That is, I have mentioned on the blackboard here, selection rule. Dear students, I asked you a question. What is your opinion about selection rule? What is the role of a selection rule in spectroscopy? And how does the selection rule to define the perfection of the spectrum? I mean various regions, NIR, UV, ultraviolet, NUV, visible light, and so many regions and various kinds of electromagnetic radiations. How will you define selection rule? Dear students, selection rule, that is such important features of spectroscopy which gives us the necessary information about the transition, moments of the electrons, in that is of various energy levels here. In order to define here about that is of, once again let us try to understand here selection rule for linear and that is of band spectrum. Once again try to understand selection as it is evident, clear by the title selection rule. What are the kinds, what are the nature, what are the perfection, what are the rules and regulation for the moment transition of the electrons in various energy levels. It can be explained by using that is of selection rule here. Dear students, in our previous lectures, in lower classes, you know various concepts to define as that is of atoms, energy levels, orbitals, orbits, and subshells. And what are the nature and what is the order of the energy to fill using Pauli's exclusion principle N plus L rule. In the same sense, the various rules and regulations to fill the electrons in shell, subshell, and orbitals. Selection rule gives us necessary and fundamental theoretical information to define various kinds of the spectra in the field of spectroscopy. First one, that is of important conditions. If same orbitals are using to fill up the electrons, such conditions will be known as that is of forbidden conditions. Dear students of BSc Part 3, listen to me once again about the selection rule for that is of linear and that is of band spectrum. It is selection rule totally depending upon that is of two important conditions here. First one important condition here, same orbitals. Such conditions are known as that is of forbidden transitions. I mean to say for same SS, PP, DD, FF orbitals, electrons do not occupy, do not fill up. Such conditions or such transitions are known as that is a forbidden transition. Next one, that is of orbitals, opposite orbitals condition. Second one condition for selection rule. Now may I to define about the opposite orbitals conditions. What does to define about that is of orbitals, opposite orbitals condition? Suppose we are using opposite kinds of the orbitals. I mean to say that is of SP, PD, that is of SD, DF. In such a position, the moment, the migration, the moment, the transition of electrons will be known as that is of opposite orbitals. In coming lectures, dear students, by drawing a particular shape and size, by graphics, forbidden transition and opposite orbitals, we will deliver tomorrow. Thank you very much.